Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to check battery cycle count on iPhone in just a few easy steps. Here's what we will cover. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Add the battery cycle count shortcut. Step 3. Set the battery capacity for your iPhone model. Step 4. View your iPhone's battery cycle count. Let us get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app. On your iPhone's home screen, tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and select Battery. Then tap Battery Health and Charging. Here, you will see your maximum battery capacity, which shows your current battery health, but not how many charge cycles it has gone through. Step 2. Add the battery cycle count shortcut. Go back to your home screen and open the Safari app. In the search bar, type Battery Cycle Count shortcut. From the search results, open the first link and scroll down until you find Check your iPhone's battery cycle count. Click it, then you will see the battery stats. Tap Add Shortcut to save it. Step 3. Access Analytics Data. Once the shortcut is added, head back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Next, select Analytics and Improvements. Then click on the Analytics Data. Here, you will see a list of files. Look for the most recent date and tap it to open. Step 4. View your iPhone's battery cycle count. Once the file opens, tap the share icon at the top right corner. From the options, scroll down and click on Battery Stats. Wait a few seconds as it processes, and there you will see the exact battery cycle count on your iPhone. And that's it. You have now checked your iPhone's true battery cycle count and learned how many full charge cycles your battery has gone through. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video is for educational purposes only. The steps shown use publicly available iPhone features and shortcuts. Please exercise caution when downloading or installing third-party shortcuts. Results may vary depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Apple Incorporation and is not responsible for any issues that may arise from following this tutorial. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.